Morning everyone, and welcome to a beautiful snowy day in Wales for the second part of my waterfall tours of the UK in a 6-month sojourn here. I've dragged poor old Shelps out with me today on an absolutely miserable day, but we're heading to currently the Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall, which is kind of meant to be like the top sort of waterfall in Wales. Going up this like single track road, you can see the waterfall up ahead and it looks epic. The plus side was rain, there's heaps of water coming through. But we're going to take a short walk up to the bottom of the waterfall and then a longer track that goes to the top. There's a cafe here and some facilities and stuff. You have to pay £5 to park, which is a bit steep, so we parked just back down the road a bit. And yeah, we're going to explore it and show you some views. This is a hell of a waterfall. 73 metre drop apparently. And what's cool, it's got a sort of natural arch in the middle of it as well. Okay, so just outside the car park, there's a track that heads off to the right, which is what we're following now. And that's going to take us to the top of the waterfall. 75 metres up, I think it's about a half mile each way. And it's a nice and wet, boggy track today. Just spectacular. I didn't really expect to see snow this time of year, but we've certainly got it. It seems that next valley has got much more than we have here. It was actually bloody sunny this morning in Manchester, but clearly it hasn't made its way out to Wales, the nice weather. Actually not a bad little climb, been fairly steep.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We're warm now, and then as soon as we get to the top and stop 5 minutes, we'll all be freezing. Shelter plodding on up ahead. It's actually kind of more of a climb than you think, because we end up we're above the waterfall now, so we're going to have to get to this sort of ridge here and then drop back into the drainage. So despite it being a 75 metre falls, it's going to be over a 100 metre climb, which is nothing to be sneezed at, especially when it's probably touching 0 degrees out. Scenery is just beautiful. Okay, so it's only like a 15-minute or so walk up, and you know, a nice steep walk, very cold obviously, but definitely worth it. At the top of Pistyll Rhaeadr, and you got a nice view down the falls and off into the valley, sort of continuing. You get very close to the edge if you really wanted to, but it's a bit wet and slippery today. I'll give you a look. There's old Shelps hiding out in his sand dunes to record a vision. You can kind of see right there, you can stand on that rock, but this is close enough just here. Great view down the valley. Well, walking back to the car now. It's a bloody nice spot, Pistyll Rhaeadr. Nice walk to the top. Obviously the view's better from the bottom, but it's like a 1 minute walk, so if you want a bit of exercise, better off going up. It's nearly as cold as it is an impressive waterfall, but probably in summer it'll be a bit of a nicer day, although you might not get as much water coming through, so there's always the trade-off there. Anyway, definitely worth a visit. It's probably the best waterfall in Wales of those I've seen on the internet, so if you're looking for waterfalls in the UK, this is certainly one to get to. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see wherever we find next.